fool. But to call upstarts like you ninja is a joke.
Sasuke.
Nothing is the matter. Let's go.
Sasuke, are you sure this is the right place?
I am.
Well, yeah, of course, it's obvious. It's not gonna walk off on its own. That's the tradition. I was all set to become one of those swordsmen. That's what I was training for. Man, you are way nicer than I am. How should I put this? You're the one in such a hurry, not me. You're not gonna say something like that, are you?
If you want to conquer the world, do it with your own team.
But I don't know, when you say it, I start to think that maybe such a thing is really possible.
A sword?
He's looking for it. He'd really appreciate the help.
Really?
Boy, those girls really like you.
Okay, so we think we know who might know, you know?
So who's this Tazuna guy?
The master carpenter who built the Great Naruto Bridge.
The Land of Lightning? You know how far away that is?
Maybe you can help us.
He came here to fight the ninja who wielded that blade.
This just keeps getting harder. Now we gotta find Tenzin. And I guess he's held a big grudge ever since.
Who the hell are you? What do you want from me?
But don't make me ask you twice. Well?
I hear that he doles out huge bribes left and right. His place is to the south, deep inside the forest. Rumor has it that several thousand mercenaries guard it.
Make sure you gather every available man.
Intruder! All men, gather up your arms!
A competition to see who gets the executioner's blade first. But there is one rule, Suigetsu. Don't kill anyone.
Huh? You mean starting right now? Alright, let's do this then. Nice one! I gotta hand it to you, Sasuke. Alright, let's get this over with.
There's no way that a single man could defeat all those soldiers in combat!
There's a way. Hey, thanks. My executioner's blade. I was looking for that. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I forget to tell you? Guess it helps to have a good, strong physique, huh?
Oh, wait, not me. Lord Tenzin, he's the one.
I see.
You're the one! The one from yesterday!
I gotta say, that's pretty impressive. I think you've got the wrong idea. I knew Master Zabuza, but it's not like he and I were particularly close.
You'll never get away with this, you know. You can't just walk in here and do what you want.
Just forget it. What's the point of killing someone like him anyway?
I'm sparing your life, such as it is, out of respect for Sasuke.
I bet it's that sword. It's too heavy for you, isn't it? Just leave it behind! Damn it!
Where's the guard who's supposed to be on watch?
What? He's gone.
You must be him. Sasuke Uchiha, right? It started with the rumors of Orochimaru. That he'd been killed.
He just died.
I know you, I'm sure I do.
Let's go get Jugo.
Hey! Hey!
Huh? Who is this guy?
of the wardens have been killed.
Can you detect Jugo among all those prisoners?
Oh, what a huge pain. He's not among them.
Then we won't have to worry which of them we take down. They're so soft.
Let's go.
The keys! I found the key ring!
Karin, which way? Tell us.
If you're so proud of your ability, then use it.
It's that way.
What's wrong?
It's actually this way. Come on!
Let go. I can walk on my own.
Sasuke? Hey, are you even listening to me?
Then I'll kill her. Someone's here. No. A man, yeah, man.
Hey, wait.
I saw you and your friends. Why'd you come to this place? You don't know him. Because if you did, you'd have stayed far away from this place.
By force, if necessary.
No matter how strong you may be, do what you want. Jugo will still kill all of you.
Sakura, that hurts! Ow, 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 ow! What is it? Don't leave us hanging. Do you have something to talk to us about, or what? Some intel? What? What is it? And that Sasuke Uchiha killed him. Are you sure?
Yeah, that's the story we've heard. And we believe it's true.
Means... That must mean Sasuke's coming back to the Hidden Leaf Village, right?
I'm afraid that doesn't seem to be in his plans. So you're just another copy of me, are you? Mason like that.
The only reason I'm here is to talk to you, Jugo. The only reason I'm here is to talk to you, Jugo.
Without him with me, I could never leave this place. I hope you're doing well.
An evil demon lives down that way.
A demon?
That's right. No one that I've ever heard of has gotten close to him and come back alive.
Well, well. Go. Get out of here. Don't come near me. Who is it? Don't come near me. Go, or I'll kill you.
I'll say it again. I don't want to fight you.
Never again!
Whoa, what is going on here?
Oh.
I got lost because I followed your directions.
Listen, I really resent that accusation.
Yeah, whatever. Anyway, What happened while I was out wandering around? Well, Sasuke's tough. He can handle anyone, even somebody this powerful.
Yeah.
But why?
To get fixed, probably.
Get fixed?
Jugo's impulses are like an addiction. He can't do anything about it on his own.
Huh?
I can never leave!
I'm Kimimaro. The reason I came here was to find you. Outcasts, exiles, all alone just as you are right now.
There's no telling when I'll try to kill the people around me.
No, you can't kill me. Then your soul will remain free. I'm simply going to take the enzyme from your body and absorb it into mine. If it doesn't, then I will die.
If you know that, then you can't do this.
Your power could save me, Jugo.
Kimimaro, why? Why did you die and leave me all alone? Who are you? I remember now.
You know, this guy really is dangerous, Sasuke.
Sasuke.
Sasuke, you're incredible.
Please come out and join me.
I think he's too frightened.
You're wrong. That's not it at all.
What? How weird.
Jugo succumbs to his irrepressible, murderous urges, and it's like he's someone else.
I don't think Jugo's gonna work out, Sasuke.
I just want to be left alone!
If you stay here, you'll die too.
I don't care.
I can keep you under control.
Without Kimimaro, I won't leave.
They were kept here together, right here in this hideout for live experimentation.
But I thought Kimimaro was... Isn't he dead?
Yeah.
If he did that for you, that must mean that you're Uchiha. This has never happened before.
It's Sasuke Uchiha. Sasuke Uchiha and I are the only ones worthy of becoming a vessel for Lord Orochimaru. Your strength has made me even stronger than before. All right then, Jugo.
So that's what happened, Kimimaro.
Good. Now that I've gathered my perfect team, my ultimate goal is to kill Itachi Uchiha of the Akatsuki. Of course, it's your choice. Karin, you said you had something else to do.
The only thing you're really interested in is being around Sasuke, isn't that right?
What?
How rich.